Streetfunk has partnered up with several charities with the aim of supporting young people that can't afford to come to Streetfunk classes and making it more affordable for them, or even sponsoring them so that they get a chance to come to our classes. We're reaching out to as many charities as possible, to as many companies as possible, to sponsor kids all around the UK to help us change their lives. Dance has had a massive impact in my life, and I know that we can do the same for young people everywhere in the country. We can really build a huge community around them, a friendship group, a family around them, and also give them guidance, mentoring and coaching to become world-class if they choose to compete, but also train them to become teachers or choreographers themselves, and pass on their knowledge and their passion to young people in turn. So we're looking out for companies to help us change people's lives, change young people's lives across the community in the UK, because we know that there are kids that need this help and need this injection of funk and energy and motivation to make something positive with their life.